I am excited to share about a new project. I mean, a personal project which I'm working on. So this is to speed up my content creation process in YouTube, right? So I hope you will find it interesting. So this starts with, uh, so the idea is simple. I wanted to save my time in creating a content, right? So the input to this, so this is a Python package basically, right? And it needs several tools. So one such tool is OpenAI, and inside OpenAI, of course, I'll be using ChatGPT, right? Uh, and also I'll be using an image generation model called DALI, and then Whisper for speech to text, right? And using all this, right? So the goal of this package is to help me create a content. So for example, you see, this is one of the video I recorded, right? And I wanted to use AI to generate the title for this video, and also the description for this video, and generate a cute thumbnail for this video, right? So this is the goal. So just using my content, the video which I recorded for the content, I was able to code or instruct the AI plus some tools in Python to do it for me, right? So we'll see how this thing works, right? So before that, we'll see what the features are, right? So this looks much like any other open source package you would see, right? So these are the overall high level features you would see. So it involves video processing, because that content, so from the video, the image frames are getting extracted, and the audio is also extracted from the video, which will be the source for the LLM, right? And using that as the source, the LLM generates titles, description, and thumbnail prompts. Okay. And also I used Google API client to, you know, automatically upload that video to YouTube API, right? So every time, this is also a tedious process, right? Once I make a video, I manually click create and then upload the video, enter all these details. Not just this, I have to select this, schedule the video. All these are automated just using this script. So I will open source this video later this year or maybe next year, but this will be available as a paid software, right? You can use it as a paid software. Maybe I'll show that details later. For a very nominal cost, right? Should be as same as the money of the biryani, right? So the input to this one of the input is your open API key. You should have an OpenAI API key to in order to use this, right? And I'll also show it. It doesn't take much. It doesn't cost you much as well, right? So for example, this is my OpenAI dashboard. On I can track how much cost an API call has consumed, right? So this test I ran on November 8th. For this, I ran this script two times, right? So two times, after running this two times end to end of a video. So the video which I used for this is of almost of 2 minutes length, right? So the length of the video matters here. So if it is going to be 2 minutes, then the cost of that to create the thumbnail, description, and the title, also all this AI related stuff will cost you around 0.1 dollars, right? Since I ran it two times, I think it's around 0.16. So approximately you can say it's around $0.1 per request. For a 2 minute video, it's going to cost you $0.1. Okay. uh, and that's it. So I'll just show what the code is all about, right? We'll have a quick code walkthrough. So as a user, you will populate this config, right? So you have to mention the path of the video file, right? And then most of the other things are automated, right? So you don't have to touch much. And apart from, so this is a secrets file. So if you get Python API access to your Google client, then you should be able to download this .json file, right? That you can place it in your hard disk, and you can point that location here, right? And other times may, so if you are from not from India, you may need to change the time zone. And if you want the video to be public, you can set it to public. or in this case I'm setting it to private, because if you set it to private, you still have a control to edit this video. Let's say you are not satisfied with the thumbnail, the content as created, you can still override this, right? And also the description. One thing to say here is the quality of the AI related stuff. You see, the title, description, and the thumbnail is always better. At least to me, it is better than what I would do it manually. So that's why I'm leaving this part to AI, right? And yeah, this is it. So once the config is set up, okay, let me also quickly walk through on what this is, right? So schedule. So since not only the AI part is automated, even the, as I said earlier, right, even the video will be uploaded to YouTube automatically. So for this, you should have a client's secrets v2 JSON file, right? And once that is done, if you want to schedule this video for a particular day, you can set that as well, right? So in this case, if you are going to, so since today I'm going to trigger the script, it's 9th November, I'm going to set the date, and I want to publish it at 6 p.m., right? So once it is set up, right, all these details like the LLM related details should also, it is better to left as default. I think this is enough. If you want to create the description in let's say Tamil or any other any of your regional language, you can set that preferred language, you can set that, and based on that, hopefully you will get the descriptions, titles, right? So that is it. We are good to trigger the script, right? So this would be the code to trigger the script. And as a first step, you should see from the video, right? So I've entered this video, dimensions.mp4. So this video will be used as an input, and frames will be generated, right? So each 2-second frame will be generated. This will be used as an input by the multi-model, and using this plus the audio text, right, it would be able to show uh, better content. It will be able to generate better thumbnails and YouTube description, and also the title. Okay, so you see this is the prompt. I mean, you see a text here, right? A friendly cartoon car driving on straight road. So this is nothing but okay. So now let's discuss that later. Now we are into the credential section, wherein you have to authenticate YouTube to allow the API to upload the video into your YouTube, right? So I just gave the access. Now let's look into the code, right? Is it not done yet? Okay, let's authenticate again. Okay, I'm just clicking continue. I should not select back to save. Click continue, and you see your video has been uploaded, and it will be published at 12:30 USC, right? So, but in my time, I use Asia Kolkata timing. So in my timings, it will be published at 6 p.m. Okay, so you see the job has ended. So the thumbnail has also been added. So let's check my YouTube content, see how this video has been transferred. So uh, this is the video. The contents were completely generated by AI. Okay, starting from the title, description, and also the thumbnail, right? And this video is also scheduled, right? You see, this is scheduled at 6 p.m. today. I mean, the day which this is the day I'm recording the content. So this is all done automatically with the help of AI plus some tools from Python. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up, subscribe it, and also share it with your friends who might find this useful. Thank you.